I am here to tell you about one of the most important thing. My main agenda is not to deliver a speech here. I just want to give aware about this topic. My topic is global warming. I may believe that you all have idea about it because we are learning it from class 6th, class 7th, class 8th, class 12th. We are learning this global warming from class 2th. So do you think that why in the school we are repeating this topic again and again? Do you think that what is the main reason? I may believe that you all have idea about the global warming. So firstly, should I give you introduction? So the introduction about global warming is that the global warming is what the increase in the temperature of Earth's surface is known as global warming. It can be due to the greenhouse gases and due to the climatic change. So the global warming can be you can experience all over the world. So global warming is very major concern. So we have to think about it that global warming is not only the part of India, it all the part of the world. So firstly, my question is that what is global warming? So move on the topic that what is global warming. So the word stand global. Global is all over the world. You can see in the you can see that let me show you in my PPT that what is global warming. You can see in the air that the factories, the rains, the pollution is increasing the day by day. So the global warming is the word stand global. Global means all over the world, all over the India, not all